Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel Researcher Media. Today in continuation of our FSSI exams previous year question paper, we are going to complete question number 71 to 100 of Food Safety Analyst 2070. This will give you idea about your preparation and the topic which are considered important in the previous exams. Those who are new for our channel, please subscribe our channel Researcher Media and join us on Telegram for coming 1000 MCQ series on FSSI exam, and the link will be given in the description. Question number 71. Which of the following acid will have higher bacteriostatic effect at a given pH? Option A, acetic acid. Option B, tartaric acid. Option C, citric acid. Option D, malic acid. So the right answer will be D, malic acid. Question number 72. A psychrophilic halophils would be a microbe that prefer option A, cold temperature and increased amount of salt. Option B, warm temperature and increased amount of pressure. Option C, cold temperature and absence of oxygen. Option D, warm temperature and increased amount of acid. So the right answer will be A, cold temperature and increased amount of salt. Question number 73. Which of the following species of Clostridium is responsible for formation of dark green to black colors in cheese? Option A, Clostridium triobutyricum. Option B, Clostridium sporogenus. C, Clostridium herbarum. D, none of these. So option C will be the right, Clostridium herbarum. Question number 74. Pseudomonas nigrifaciens is mildly salted butter may cause. Option A, black smudge. Option B, greenish area. Option C, pink color. And D, none of these. So the right answer will be A, black smudge. Question number 75. Yeast are most likely to grow in frozen fruits during option A, slow thawing, option B, refrigeration, option C, ambient temperature, option D, none of these. So the right answer will be A, slow thawing. Question number 76. Bacterial soft rot is caused due to option A, fermentation of pectin, option B, fermentation of sugar, option C, formation of ketones, option C, formation of amino acids. So the right answer will be A, fermentation of pectin. Question number 77. Lactic acid bacteria in meat may be responsible for option A, slimy formation at the surface or within, especially in presence of sucrose. B, production of green decoloration. Option C, souring. Option D, all of the above. So the right answer will be D, all of the above. Question number 78. Which of the following statements are true regarding botulinal toxins? Option A neurotoxin. Option B, water soluble exotoxin. Option C, produced by Clostridium botulinum, a gram positive anaerobic bacteria. And D, all of these. So the right answer will be D, all of these. It's a neurotoxin, it's water soluble and produced by Clostridium botulinum, a gram positive anaerobic bacteria. Question 79. Suspected colonies of Staphylococcus aureus when grow on bed Parker medium cell show option A, coagulase activity, option B, protease activity, option C, catalase activity, option D, none of these. So the right answer will be A, coagulase activity. Question 80. Which of the following is true about ISO 2002 method for Salmonella detection? Option A. Selenite cysteine broth is replaced by Mueller-Kaufmann tetrathionate novobiosine broth. Option B. Rapport Vesiliadis broth has been replaced by Rappaport Vesiliadis soya broth. Option C. XLD is the first solution media rather than BGA. Option D. All of these. So the right answer will be D. All of these. Question 81. Bacterial flagella is made up of option A. Microtubules, option B. Tubulin, option C. Flagellin, option D. Spinin. The option C will be the right answer, flagellin. Question 82. Yeast and mold count determination requires option A. Nutrient agar, option B. Acidified potato glucose agar, option C. McConkey agar, option D. Violet red bile agar. So option B will be the right answer, acidified potato glucose agar. Question 83. Fluid mosaic model is used to explain the cell structure of option A. Yeast, option B. Mold, option C. Bacteria, option D. Virus. So the right answer will be bacteria. Question 84. Ropiness in bread is due to option A. Bacillus cereus, option B. Bacillus licheniformis, option C. Geotrichum auranticum, option D. Bacillus subtilis. So the right answer will be B. Bacillus licheniformis. Question 85. Rhizopus stolonifer is also known as option A. Dairy mold, option B. Meat mold, option C. Bread mold, option D. Machi. So the right answer will be C. Bread mold. Question 86. Choose the correct statement. Option A. Growth of aerobes take place at a lower water activity in the presence of air. Option B. Growth of aerobes take place at a higher water activity in the presence of air. Option C. Growth of anaerobes take place at a lower water activity in the presence of air. Option D. Growth of both aerobes and anaerobes take place at a higher water activity in the presence of air. So the right answer will be A. Question number 87. Thermal death time of Salmonella typhi at 60 degree centigrade is dash minutes. Option A 3.4, option B 4.3, option C 2.3 and option D 3.2. So the right answer will be 4.3. Option B will be the right answer. Question 88. Most food and microbial enzymes are destroyed at degree centigrade. Option A 62.5, option B 65.2, option C 74.9, option D 79.4. So the right answer will be D 79.4. Question 89. Choose the correct statement. Option A. High freezing temperature are more lethal, like more microorganisms are inactivated at -4 degree to 10 degree centigrade than at -15 to -30 degree centigrade. High freezing temperature are more lethal, like more microorganisms are inactivated at -15 to -30 degree than -4 to -10 degree centigrade. Option C is low freezing temperature are more lethal, like more microorganisms are inactivated at -4 to -10 degree centigrade than -15 to -30 degree. Option D is high freezing temperature are more lethal, like more microorganisms are inactivated at -15 to -30 degree centigrade than at -4 to -10 degree centigrade. So the right answer will be A. High freezing temperature are more lethal, like more microorganisms are inactivated at -4 to -10 degree centigrade than at -15 to -30 degree centigrade. Question 90. The pH at which sodium benzoate most effective to inhibit the growth of most bacteria. Option A 2.5 to 4, option B 4.5 to 5.5, option C 6.5, option D 7. So the right answer will be A 2.5 to 4. Question 91. The approximate acidity developed in sauerkraut is 1.2% lactic acid, B 1.2% acetic acid, C 1.7% lactic acid, D 1.7% acetic acid. So the right answer will be 1.7% lactic acid. Question 92. Neurospora cytophila is also known as dairy mold, machinery mold, red bread mold, or red meat mold. So this will be option C, red bread mold. Question 93. Dash is a osmophilic yeast. Saccharomyces cerevisiae, variety ellipsoides. Option B, Saccharomyces euverum. Option C, Cluveromyces marxians. Option D, S. roxii. So option right will be D, S. roxii. Question 94. Dash test organism for penicillin detection in milk. Option A, Bacillus styrothermophilus. Option B, Bacillus pumilus. Option C, Bacillus subtilis. Option D, Bacillus subtilis warniger. Option C will be the right answer, Bacillus subtilis. Question 95. A sepsis is option A, keeping out microorganisms, option B, removal of microorganisms, option C, hindering the growth of microorganism, option D, killing the microorganism. So the option A will be the right answer, keeping out microorganisms. Question 96. The rate during which the rate of multiplication is decreasing is also known as maximum stationary phase, B, accelerated death phase, option C, negative acceleration phase, option D, survival phase. So the right answer will be C, negative acceleration phase. Question 97. Yellow discoloration in meat are caused by bacteria with yellow pigments, usually species of option A, Micrococcus, option B, Flavobacterium, option C, both A and B, option D, Pseudomonas cincinnati. So the right answer will be C, both Micrococcus and Flavobacterium. Question 98. Which organization is used as an indicator of fecal pollution in water? Option A, Clostridium, option B, E. coli, option C, Bacillus subtilis, option D, Salmonella. So the right answer will be B. E. coli is used as an indicator for fecal pollution in water. Question 99. The acidity of medium acid foods lies in between. Option A, above 6.5, option B 6.5 to 5.3, option C 5.3 to 4.5, option D below 4.5. So the right answer will be C, 4.5 to 5.3. And the last question is 100. Laminar airflow bench contains option A cellulose filter, option B nitrocellulose filter, option C mega filter, option D HEPA filter. So the right answer will be D HEPA filter. I hope these questions will be helpful in your preparation for the coming FSSAI exams. And please subscribe our channel to get more videos about syllabus topic of FSSAI exams.